Let's learn how to automatically color correct footage in Adobe Premiere Pro. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Premiere Pro tips. Start by dragging your clip to the timeline. With your clip selected, open the lumetri color panel. If it's not visible, go to Window Lumetri Color to enable it. In the Lumetri Color panel, under the Basic Correction tab, click the Auto button to apply automatic color correction to your video. Adjust the intensity slider to fine-tune the correction to your preference. For additional tweaks, use the contrast slider, but keep adjustments subtle to preserve details. To compare your edits with the original, toggle the color grading on and off using the checkbox next to Basic Correction. That's it. If you find this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Premiere Pro tips. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to learn next.